Good day everyone. On this video I will discuss the two diesel engines, the 4-stroke and the 2-stroke. So the difference between a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke engine is how quickly this combustion cycle process occurs, based on the number of times the piston moves up and down during each cycle. In a 4-stroke engine, the piston completes 2 strokes during each revolution, 1 compression stroke and 1 exhaust stroke, each being followed by a return stroke. The spark plugs fire only once every other revolution, and power is produced every 4 strokes of the piston. These engines also do not require pre-mixing of fuel and oil, as they have a separate compartment for the oil. In a 2-stroke engine, the entire combustion cycle is completed with just 1 piston stroke, a compression stroke followed by the explosion of the compressed fuel. During the return stroke, the exhaust is let out and a fresh fuel mixture enters the cylinder. The spark plug fires once every single revolution, and power is produced once every 2 strokes of the piston. 2-stroke engines also require the oil to be pre-mixed in with the fuel. So there are many people who have argued for which is better between the 2 diesel engines. So I will share each efficiency according to their function and construction. So as far as efficiency goes, the 4-stroke certainly wins. This is due to the fact that fuel is consumed once every 4-stroke. 4-stroke engines are heavier. They weigh upwards of 50% more than a comparable 2-stroke engine. Typically, a 2-stroke engine creates more torque at a higher revolution per minute, or RPM, while a 4-stroke engine creates a higher torque at a lower revolution per minute. The 4-stroke engine is also much quieter. A 2-stroke engine is significantly louder and has a distinctive high-pitched buzzing sound. Because 2-stroke engines are designed to run at a higher RPM, they also tend to wear out faster. A 4-stroke engine is generally more durable. That being said, 2-stroke engines are more powerful. 2-stroke engines are a much simpler design, making them easier to fix. They do not have valves, but rather ports. 4-stroke engines have more parts, therefore they are more expensive and repair cost more. So that is all about 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine. Thank you for watching.